Hey girls, this is Lisa with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect sweater for this winter and a cute one, let me show you this one I got here. I want to share with you this beautiful sweater I just got. This is by Deep Self. This is a long sleeve sweater. I love how it has these ruffle shoulders, making it super cute and feminine. I really like this apricot color as well. It makes it super easy for me to match with any pants, any skirt that has any pattern, since this is a solid color. It comes in a variety of beautiful colors as well. I also appreciate that it's long because if I want to wear leggings, I just feel more comfortable if my rear is covered. You can either wear this untucked with some cute leggings, or you can throw on a skirt and look as cute with the skirt tucked in as well. This goes great with any color. I mean, you can match this with dark colors or any print. I love the quality, I love the design, and I love that it keeps me warm during this cold winter. With that being said, check these sweaters out. They have a variety of different colors you are going to love, and that is my point of view.